Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working with Recool hair. This is everything that they sent me in my package along with the wig. So they were so nice enough to send me out their pre-cut glueless 6x5 lace closure wig in their deep wave texture. The knots already came pre-bleached, so I love that. It also has an elastic band and adjustable straps. So since it already came pre-bleached, I did not have to do that, thank God. So all I did was go in and pluck the hairline just a tad bit, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And here I am wetting down the hair so that I can define the curls some, and I'm just using a lot of body mousse to define my curls. Alright y'all, so for the install portion, I did not use any hairspray or any glue. As you can see, like as easy as 1, 2, 3, I put that wig on, and babe, it's on. Like, it's glueless. I'm just using the adjustable straps and elastic band on the wig to keep it secure. But yeah y'all, and right here, now they did pre-bleach the hair, so it was over bleached in some spaces, but it's an easy fix. I just took a Sharpie marker and went over the blonde pieces so that way it would be corrected. But yeah y'all, this wig was like super easy to install. Like, I literally put it on because, again, y'all saw me define the curls off of my head. So yeah y'all, I'm just using like my leftover makeup that's on my brush to help blend that lace on. But the lace on the wig super thin, the hair nice and soft, and the curls are very, very beautiful. So this wig is very effortless, very easy, very beginner friendly. Like, it's just nothing else to say about the wig, y'all. Like, super easy, super easy. If you want something quick and on the go, I would definitely suggest this wig. And again, I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything, so I just prepped it so I could put it on and go. Yeah y'all, so I do have all of the information and specs for this wig, as well as the company, down in my description box if any of you are interested. But I'm going to get out of here. Big thank you again to Recool Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I thank y'all so much. And yeah, I'm going to talk to you all in the next one. I can tell by your eyes that you're